What if I told you there's a tool that can automatically generate AI videos with multiple consistent characters without weeks of training Laura's? Imagine this. No more mismatched outfits, no more random facial expressions ruining your scene. And here's the kicker: what if this tool could create natural movement and focus the camera on the most important part of your scene? Like magic, it knows whether your hero is a daring adventurer or, say, a sassy Persian cat stealing the show. Stick around, because today I'll show you why Pollo AI just saved me 20 hours on a single project and surprised me with something I've never seen before. Trust me, your workflow will never be the same. Let me take you back to last 2 weeks ago. I spent days, yes, actual day string to animate a 30-second ad with just 2 characters on the same scene. The first character kept morphing into something weird mid-scene. The lighting, it reset every single frame, turning a sunset into a neon disco. I nearly threw my computer out the window. But then, like a beacon of hope, a friend mentioned a new tool. Now, you might be thinking, another drag and drop tool? Big deal. But here's the twist. This isn't just another toy for basic animations. Let me show you why it's very, very cool and how I work and why it'll blow your mind too. Watch this. I drag in my protagonista woman in a sleek white dress, every fold and stitch perfectly designed. Next, her co-star, a regal Persian cat with fur, so detailed you can almost feel its softness. Now, most tools would slap these together and call it a day, right? Random movements, disjointed pacing, a total mess. But with Consistent Character Tool, the second I hit generate, it did something wild. It auto-detected the cat as the main character. No infinite settings, no longer tweaks. The camera followed the cat like it was the star of the scene. But wait though, does it handle slow motion? Can it keep that quality level detail when things get intricate? Let's test its limits. Okay, look at this. Slow motion shot. The woman cradles the cat, their eyes locked on the camera. Freeze this frame. Zoom in way in, see those fabric wrinkles in her dress? They're identical to the original image. Not similar, identical. And the cat's fur, each strand flows like it's alive, even in slow-mo. Normally, this level of detail would take hours of manual tweaking masking layers, adjusting keyframes, crying over coffee, but Pollo AI did it in seconds. Now, let's get personal. I tested Consistent Character Tool with my own face. I uploaded 3 photos back, front profile and side angle, my classic awkward smile, and let the AI work. And then this happened. Watch how I turn to the camera, the subtle shift in my expression, the way the light catches my eyes. See that tiny head movement? That wasn't in my prompts. No add a slight nod or make it look natural. Pollo AI added it automatically, like it knew exactly what the scene needed. But the real magic? What happened next? Switch to this valley scene, a sweeping landscape with ancient cities, glowing rivers, and clouds pierced by golden god rays. I chose the AI video effects feature no keyframes, no timelines, just a click. Cinematic zoom, Gia 1, gentle wind. Watch the camera glide forward, the trees swaying, the river rippling with lifelike motion, that 3D parallax effect in the sky. Pretty nice, my friends. They also count with several professional tools all in one place. Need to turn text into video? They've got Runway's cinematic style, Kling's hyperrealism, even Pika's quirky emotional under one roof. No more app-hopping circus. And if you're like me, drowning in storyboards, their Flux 1.1 Pro Ultra model is a game changer. We're talking studio-grade images with one click sharp, enough to make your clients think you hired a Marvel artist. But wait, what if your video is almost perfect, but not quite? That's where their enhancers come in. Upscale pixelated scenes without losing detail. Extend a 3-second clip into 10 seconds of seamless footage. or my favorite, fix that one awkward frame where your character's face glitches into a potato. I've literally saved all-nighters with these tools. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.